Have you ever reached the end of the month wondering, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Most people have no idea how much they spend, or how much they could be saving, because they don't track their finances. But here's the good news. By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly how to build your own personal finance tracker, step by step, even if you've never used Excel, Google Sheets, or any finance app before. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to build a simple money tracker that actually makes sense. Automatically calculate your income, expenses, and savings. See where your money is going every single month. And most importantly, stay consistent so you actually hit your money goals. By the end, you'll have your own working tracker ready to use. Step 1. Choose your tool. You don't need anything fancy. Open Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. If you're new, start with Google Sheets. It's free, saves automatically, and works on any device. Rename your file, My Personal Finance Tracker. Step 2. Set up your basic columns in row 1. Create these headers. Date category, like food, rent, bills, entertainment, description, income, expense balance. These 6 columns will become the foundation of your tracker. Step 3. Create categories. Think of categories as money buckets. For example, income, salary, freelance work, side hustles, expenses, rent, groceries, transport, utilities, subscriptions. Having clear categories helps you see patterns, like how much goes to food versus savings. Step 4. Add formulas. Now it's time to make your tracker do the math for you. In the balance column, write this simple formula. Equals sum of E2 minus sum of F2. That's income minus expense. To see your total balance at the top, use equals sum of E to E minus sum of F to F. Now your tracker will automatically update whenever you add new transactions. Step 5. Color coding. This part makes tracking fun and visual. Use green for income. Use red for expenses. Highlight your total balance cell with a bright color, like blue or yellow. This makes your money dashboard easy to read at a glance. Step 6. Add monthly sheets. To stay organized, create a new sheet for each month: January, February, March, and so on. You can duplicate your first sheet and rename it. This makes it easy to see your financial progress month by month. Step 7. Add a summary dashboard. This step takes your tracker from good to professional. Create a new sheet and call it Dashboard. In it, include total income, equals sum of January E to E, February E to E, and so on. Total expenses, same formula, but for the expense column. Total savings equals total income minus total expenses. Then, add a simple bar chart or pie chart to visualize where your money goes. You now have a personal finance tracker that looks amazing and works perfectly. Mistake 1. Not updating daily or weekly. Your tracker is only useful if it's accurate. Spend 5 minutes each day updating it, just like brushing your teeth. Mistake 2. Mixing personal and business money. Keep your personal tracker separate from your business or side hustle tracker. Mistake 3. Ignoring small expenses. Those $2 coffees and random app subscriptions, they add up fast. Track everything. Mistake 4. Overcomplicating it. Don't get lost in fancy charts or unnecessary formulas. Keep it simple so you'll actually stick to it. Here's your mini challenge to make it real. Day 1. Open Google Sheets and set up your columns. Day 2. Add all your income sources. Day 3. List all your recurring expenses, like rent, bills, or loans. Day 4. Start tracking daily expenses. Day 5. Add formulas and color coding. Day 6. Create your summary dashboard. Day 7. Review your spending and find one area to cut costs. By next week, you'll have full control over your money, and you'll see where every dollar goes. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. It helps more people discover financial freedom just like you. Comment below if you want a free template of this tracker. I'll pin it in the comments for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical finance videos that help you build wealth and take control of your money, one step at a time.